Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Zaki Damra.
And my name is Muhammad Anugrah Ghazali.
Today we are going to share our interesting experience. Please enjoy our conversation.
Hi, do you have any interesting experience?
Yes, I do. I joined an city TPS competition at Man 1 Kendari with my team.
How is it?
It was exciting and challenging. In the end, we won the competition. I felt very proud.
That's great. What did you learn?
I learned to work as a team and never give up. What about you? What is your interesting experience?
I have great holiday at Malamang Beach and Balaka.
What did you do there?
I went with my family playing the water and enjoyed the view. I felt very happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.